In progress.
Afternoon, sir. In this video, we will discuss about the set theory, number system, and logic in creating a system. Set theory is used to perform operation on sets. The following functions is union, intersection, and the logic. First is the union. Function implements the union of two sets. It takes two arrays, set A and set B. Merge them using array merge, and ensure that there are the duplicate values by using array unique. Second is the intersection function calculates the intersection of two sets. It uses array interest to return only the common elements between set A and set B. And the last is difference. Difference function computes the difference between two sets. It uses array def to return elements that are present in set A but not in set B. Next is the number system. Are used to convert between different type of numerical representation. The following functions of number system is decimal to binary, binary to decimal, and decimal to hexadecimal. The decimal to binary functions converts a decimal number to its binary equivalent using the Deckben functions, while the binary to decimal function converts a binary number to its decimal equivalent using the Bendeck function. And also the decimal to hexadecimal functions converts a decimal number to its hexadecimal representation. The number system part is applied through this function that convert between decimal, binary, and hexadecimal. And the last is logic. Logic is applied in the code to check whether the user's answer is correct. The check answer function compares the user's input with the correct answer and provides feedback based on whether the answer matches. This part uses basic logic to compare if the user's input user answer matches the correct answer. If they match, the user gets correct. Otherwise, they are informed of the correct answer.